Hi, welcome back to the channel. We are here in Cedar City for another Pro VM, but before we get started, I would appreciate if you guys slap that subscribe button. Helps us out a ton here, and it's free for you. So with that being said, Pro VM, winner gets a ball, or in my case, if I lose, maybe I gotta wear some ridiculous pants, because if you guys have seen our previous Cedar City videos, this is the home of the pro with the pants. Not Kyle Troop, but Steve Sherman. Oh yeah, he's wearing some pants right now. How fitting, look at what's on his pants. Yeah, okay, all right. Leave, Steve, bye, thanks. But we're going to bowl one of the employees here. His name is Jordan. Welcome, Jordan, thanks for coming on the channel.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Just say a couple things about yourself, what you do here, and how many people you got to kick out of the building when they start doing dumb things.
Well, I'm Jordan Wilcock. I work basically snack bar, front desk, and I do pin chasing with the back and untangling some pins every now and then.
Which is unusual because there's string pins here.
I know.
So at a normal bowling alley, you just throw those pins back there.
That's right.
Here. Okay, so if you win, you're gonna win a bowling ball of your choice from Storm. The handicap, I have to hook my spares. Yeah. What you're thinking. Okay, so I'm gonna throw backup balls at my 10 pins. Hopefully I don't leave them. If I just bowl 300, then it's all good. But anyways, best of luck, Jordan. Here we go. That looks close. Oh. We got a little hustle x-ray action here.
Yep.
What do you feel like is pretty unique about the string pins as opposed to free fall?
Every now and then you get like a string pulling down another pin. I see every once in a while. It's only on like those where there's a sleeper in the back.
Oh, you have two of them?
Yeah.
I didn't even, sorry,
No, you're good.
I was like, wow, two hustles. Is that gonna hold the line? Oh,
that was close.
Oh. All right, good start, good start. I'm gonna throw the concept. Similar idea, much bigger cover. Much bigger. If you guys have noticed, new threads. EFX.co. DATA for 10% off. Go check it out. I haven't thrown a two-handed shot in about 2 hours. Oh gosh.
He says there's no best interest on string.
Whoa. Whoa. There's a form? Do I make it on the wall? You can send dogs on the strings. You can. That's already a win for me. That's gotta go.
That's tight.
It's gotta go.
Whoops.
This is the tightest 37-foot pattern I've ever bowled on. Snug. I thought they hooked a lot. Maybe it's just the concept. Maybe the concept's just a different concept. Oh man, my hips are not having it.
Uh-oh, hit the hard way.
Wheel. Textbook. Textbook.
Don't say that, Steve.
I'm just so excited. How many messengers have you seen here?
Counting yours, 3. This year, second one.
Second one this year. It's so weird seeing a 26 on the ball. Go! That's not good. It's not good. I think I stood on the wrong board. Do I go for the count or the spare? It's YouTube, we go for the spare. Every time.
You gotta curve that.
Every time. Oh yeah, we gotta hook it. I forgot.
Yeah, you gotta hook it.
I almost forgot the rules. Making my life a little easier here. Okay, so that went high. Another 5 hits the pocket on the 3-pin. 7. We'll move 7. Maybe. Wow. All right.
That was a good try.
All right. Takes the lead on the bench. Takes the lead. Have you ever worked in a bowling center with free fall?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I like free fall.
You like the free fall better?
Yeah.
So you don't like this place? This place is not your cup of tea?
It's all right. I like strings every now and then. There is sometimes where strings do help out.
Is it warm in here? Or is it just me? Okay. So take my pants off?
No.
Can't make me laugh.
Please no.
Leave the same.
Take my, you heard the same thing, right?
I should have stopped.
We got him. We got him. Pants are optional. Going for the textbook way? Wow, he could do it both ways. He can do both. See, that's what happens if you get a spare ball. Okay, I think this is where I was standing. I think I was 1 and 1 too far right. Oh boy, that's not what I wanted to see. Do I get that? 7, no! The strings giveth and the strings taketh. They took from me that time.
You gotta hook at this one anyway.
Is this lane just tight? I'll figure it out. I always figure it out. Sometimes I just run out of time. Man, I did that one good. Oh, that might miss.
Oh.
Oh no. I didn't have enough time to, actually I didn't warm up at all. Bowled, went, had lunch, came back, threw it straight for a game. In we go.
Yeah, I'll lift you up.
All right. I like making things exciting. I just like giving bowling balls away. That one might, oh.
Dude, that one's so far outside.
Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Okay, I clearly have no idea what the lanes are doing. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, another spare.
Uh-oh.
I can't hit my spot.
All right, I think I got it now. I think we're fine. We're fine, we're fine.
Now there's
What?
You can't throw too good of a ball on these.
That was pretty good. Not enough diff. That's the 20 diff in this ball. That's continuation. So we call it the drive-by 9-pin. I don't know if you can still get them, but Space 9 collection from Mikey, that's what it is. The drive-by 9. Oh, my ball's going too far down the lane. I don't like that. Ah, all right. I'm on the board though. I'm on the board.
Is the general rule on tour 3 non-strikes and it's a ball change?
I can't make a ball change.
Darren, are we ball change?
I committed. I'm throwing the blue ball.
What would Tim Mack tell you to do right here?
What would Tim Mack do? He would gas me up and then tell me to just go do it. Just go get it done, brother. Come on, man. Come on, Jordan, throw a strike.
Oh my goodness, I can't.
Oh, that's the wrong one. Mine looked cooler.
Man, I can't hit the pockets in my life.
It's a bad rack. Where's the mechanic? Jordan, do you work on these racks?
Hell, no.
You're stringing him. Our mechanic is our lead chef.
Oh!
Oh!
All right.
He was rooting against you, Jordan.
I know.
I was rooting for the string to
that.
not take that pin down. I wasn't rooting against him. Yeah, that's a 9-pin rack if I've ever seen one. Oh, Darren, you're just making excuses. Tell me I'm making excuses after I 9-pin one more time.
Oh, there you go.
I was waiting for the 9-pin.
All right, Jordan, game on.
Not quite as much entry angle.
All right.
All right, 5-pin match. 5 pins. Isn't that funny that my handicap is to hook up my spares and his ball hooked a little bit and chopped the spare? Wait, is that a ball change? Oh no.
Not a good one. I thought should have stuck with the same one.
Why are they so tight?
I don't know.
We didn't really ball in this lane for that long. This is weird. They feel quite snug.
Oh,
Fair?
I missed that one. Oh, no, I didn't.
He doesn't need strikes. He said Darren's just gonna keep missing his spares. All right.
We have our first double of the match.
All right. Yes, we do. I think that one could have 9-pinned also. That one got scary. Here we go. Here we go. Jordan, I think it's time. You gotta start throwing some strikes here, pal.
I need something here.
Just sparkling midnight. You might not get Steve back.
Oh. Woo! But is it too late?
Yeah, maybe.
He said, think about it. Maybe.
We'll see.
Maybe
about
yes, maybe no. Jordan, do you have any good bowling alley stories? Like just stories as you're working and just.
What's that?
Yeah, you got some pretty. Do you have any out there people here in Cedar City that just come in and like, that doesn't look right.
Guy tried to like slide like head first down the lane the other day, but
I saw that on tour one time.
Did you? Probably because they won.
The Machuca flop. I don't think we could do that without a thumb. That would be very tough. All right, here we go.
You gotta hook it.
Oh, I gotta hook it too. Well, my spare shooting hasn't been great, so. Are your two hustles laid out different?
Yeah, one's a little flatter.
Well, let's see how bad I am. Good I am at hooking the spares. Pure guesstimate based on the last one. Welcome to the guesstimation station. Ooh, I lose the lead here if he strikes in the 8th. This ball's gross. Like it just starts hooking and it doesn't stop.
I know.
Concept.
All right.
What a concept. It's too warm in here.
I know, I'm sweating.
That looks. I thought it was close. I'm at a bad angle.
Yeah, my line's really tight. I don't.
I'll give you a tip or what I'm seeing if you want it.
Where?
I think you're too far left.
You think I'm, okay.
That's all I'm gonna give you.
Gotcha. That was bad.
What was that? How do you knock down so many pins? All right, we can put the clamps on them here. Here come the clamps. I'm having a hard time focusing. I don't know why. Oh, that's left.
Uh-oh.
Here we go fishing.
Oh, I gotta hook this. This could be bad.
We didn't say left in, backup hook.
I'm backing it up. Because if I don't make it, then it's real close. If Jordan strikes out, I gotta throw a double somewhere. But we gotta hope he just doesn't strike out.
Little does he know.
I gotta account for Bruce's transition.
Oh, wow.
And a hop.
What was that? If my ball comes back broken, I want a new one. Do I win a ball if I win?
Oh, this seems so far right. I'm all over the place.
I don't know if we mentioned it, but we're balling on 37 feet. But it doesn't look like 37 feet. It doesn't feel like your traditional 37 feet, I'll put it that way. Still got life. If I open, there's a chance I'm hooking it. All right. Wait, that's the wrong chamois. That's the wrong chamois. Maybe we just gotta roll it a little more. I heard that a lot when I first went out on tour. You just gotta roll it more. So we'll roll it more. I rolled it more. When you roll it more, it hooks more. All right, so if I spare here, Jordan needs a double, force me to get good count, and a mark. Mark and good count. All right, I hope you double.
I hope I do too.
I truly do. Even if you don't, yeah.
Yeah.
So there's a couple of possibilities here. Is that gonna hook? Ooh, that's bad count too.
I'm in the mud.
I think with that, it's pretty dust.
Yeah.
They weren't the easiest. They weren't the easiest. Oh, I thought he was gonna cut it. All right.
Good game.
Good game. All right, we're gonna wrap this up here. Call it good. W for the squad. Just never had it. I'm gonna throw my red ball at the spare. I think this was a red ball lane.
Somebody said something about a ball change about 6 frames ago.
Yeah, but I wanted to throw the new ball. New ball syndrome. Come on, ball, come back. Nah, just throw the same ball. Maybe I just had to give it the big hook. Oh, I almost slipped again. I think it's just the spot. Anyways, all right, John, I appreciate you for coming on the channel and bowling.
Absolutely.
I survived one. Don't have to give up ball. 151, 180, a lot of nines. I'm kind of surprised I didn't miss one having to hook it on my spares, but thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're here at Cedar City. Thank you so much to Steve and the owner, Nick, for letting us come in and film. I'm out of breath. So, yeah, another dub for the channel. Another dub for us, at least. We'll see you in the next one.